All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the Oceanbroad Day Bag. Now, they do offer a couple different sizes for travel. This would be more of a day bag, but this can be for travel as well. Make a long story short, this is the 6'6" size, great for mid-length, and they also do have some longer lengths and, of course, shorter lengths as well. Just like all my videos, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment, will be this exact same board bag, day bag, by the company Oceanbroad, where you guys can read more about it and pick up yourself after the video is done, of course. Definitely watch the whole video through. Now, again, I already have two of these for my river surfing boards. I have a 5.0 size and a 5.6 size, I believe. No, I think it's 5.2 and a 5.6 or a 5.4 and a 5.6. Anyway, they offer different sizes for my river surfing boards. I use them every single time I head down to the river to surf. And the shorter size, I actually flew on American Airlines, popped the fins out. I actually put two river surfing boards in one of these day bags with a little bit of bubble wrap. They were hybrid boards, meaning not quite foam soft tops, but like hybrids. They're soft tech and no damage to the boards. Did great, but of course I had to remove the fins to be able to put two in there. Now with one board, don't need to remove the fins. It's a day bag, great for down here. I'm currently in San Clemente right now. I have not used it here yet, but put it in your day bag, put it on your rack, on your e-bike, go down to trestles, go down to the brake. That's what everyone does here. Everyone has e-bikes, day bags, and their racks on the e-bike. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on into this. What I do love about it is it opens literally, this is where the zipper ends here. It goes all the way around to about right there, opens up plenty. We're going to show you that. Big pocket right through here, shoulder strap right there, which is absolutely incredible. Not to mention it's, you know, like a tarp type of, I don't know what material this is, but it's like a heavy duty tarp, insulated. And then this is fabric right up here. You do have a little hanging point right here if you do need to wash the bag off and dry it. But I do like the texture of the fabric right here. Really well stitched as well. My other ones I've had for quite a while. I lay them on the ground down by the rocks at the river surfing area, and they've held up absolutely fantastic. You do have a handle there as well, and this is all fabric here as well, fabric on the back end. Really quickly here, let's go ahead and flip it around, and you have a big slot if you do have a larger fin for a mid-length single fin, etc., or if you do for some oddball reason need to pop out one of your back thruster fins. This does open up with Velcro right here. I've never used that feature, but it is there if you do need it. So I'm heading down to surf here, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here, and then we'll show you to you loaded up. And there is your big pocket right there. When I traveled, I had wax in there, I had fins, all sorts of goodies, little pull tabs right there. Again, this is fabric with your logo right here and your size 6'6". And you're like, Chris, why'd you get such a large board bag? Well, in all honesty, the company was going to send out their travel 2-board bag, but they accidentally sent this one out. So I'm just making a fresh video about it because it is a fresh bag and I will be using it for the day trips down here. But stay tuned, also subscribe, because I will be reviewing their 2-board actual airline travel bag, or just, you know, a 2-board bag if you need to travel with it. I am traveling. I'm going city to city, beach break to beach break. Also watch my vlog videos. I've been going to wave pools, Waco, Revel, and Palm Springs Surf Club, and I have been using my FCS 2-board bag right here, but I want to get my hands on the Oceanbroad 2-board bag. So again, stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and put on my fins because I took them off. My short board is actually only 5'9". I got some nice John fins. I want to keep it in good condition. Let's go ahead and put the fins on. This is a 5'9" DHD Phoenix board. Got my stomp pads on there looking fresh. Let's go ahead and load this thing up in the truck, take it down to, I think we're going to go surf T Street today. And what's great about this board bag too, again, if you need a longer length, grab a longer length and give you plenty of extra room, especially if you do want to travel with this. If you're just doing a little, maybe a little puddle jumper, do be careful with the airlines though. I would stack it and protect it for sure. Take off your fins when you're traveling. But if it's just for day use, if you're throwing it in the back of a truck, and I watch too many videos where these guys go to the Maldives and all these other boat trips, and they're just putting their boards like stacked on these boats with their fins. fins, and I'm like, you know what? I mean, a board's a board, but I do want to keep it in good condition. And so, you know, instead of like a fabric sock, you know, just grab one of these day board bags, load this sucker up. It protects it in like for a boat trip. If you're throwing it in the back of your buddy's truck or something like that, it's just going to keep your board in better condition. Fold the thing up, throw it in the front seat of his truck, and bada bing, bada boom. But if you do need a little extra room for padding, if you're going on a long trip, stacking it on a bus, boat trip, you guys get the idea. Now, obviously, airline travel, I would probably look more at their 2-board bag made for travel, but this one can be as well. I could take off the fins, I could pop my noodles around it, put a little extra padding in there, call it a day. Again, I did that with my 2 Softex, loaded them up in the same bag. You could even put food if it was underweight and you were up to like 70 pounds for an airline. I did that with my snowboard bag for a France trip. I threw Costco food in my snowboard bag because I had a lot of weight that I was able to load it up with. Of course, they checked it out, but everything was sealed, and I took my organic food with me. Anyway, this has a nice deep pocket here as well. It is Velcro, and you can put your fins in there. You can put an extra leash. You can put your wax. You guys get the idea. So not only do you have that one on the interior portion, which opens up very nicely. Again, ends there, starts here, so it doesn't go full 50% flap. It is maxed out here, around, and right here. And then if you do need to put your fin, single fin through there, that does open up once again right down there at the bottom. And then it is a little bit of a lip right there for extra kind of maybe side protection or whatnot. That folds over. That will zip all the way up and around and about. We'll take that bad boy down to the beach. Have ourselves a little stoop. Also, the shoulder strap definitely comes in handy, especially with river surfing. We got a little bit of a jot of a walk down to the break, and so we go from the parking lot. I just put these over my shoulders. Typically, I have 2 day bags with me for 2 different boards. I just leave the fins on, stack them, wash it off after river surfing, opening up the bag. So like I wash my board, I put my board over there to dry. I just open it up like that to dry out any water inside. It dries out very quickly. Zip it back up after it dries, put my board in, of course, stack it up in my house, and I just leave it in the bag for protection unless you have a rack in your garage. So let's go ahead and do that now. Flap that bad boy shut, and we'll load that sucker up in the truck and have ourselves a little stew. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the board bag did absolutely incredible. As always, of course, just like my other ones, just like it, like we talked about in the video. It is a absolutely beautiful evening down here in San Clemente once again, and we are going to be loading this sucker up onto the next adventure. Now, again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same board bag, day bag by Oceanbroad. And once again, stay tuned for their 2-board bag, travel airline bag, more of a travel long-term flights, trains, buses, you name it, type of a travel bag. This one will be linked in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on your way out. Helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech reviews, DIY projects, and more. My name's Chris, and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.